it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it.
Hey Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad you all came back to watch my video. As you guys see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my deep wave bundles before I get my install. And I actually got this hair from the Alexis J collection. I'm going to leave all the information in my description box down below. Before I actually start wetting the hair, I'm going to take off the silver bands around all three of the bundles. Now that I took off all of the silver bands around all three bundles, I'm going to start by using warm water to get my hair nice and wet before I apply the Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia co-wash. And it was so interesting to me how once I did wet the deep wave hair, the hair looked so much longer than it did when it was dry. And this is my first time having deep wave hair, so I was feeling it. Now that all of the hair is wet, I'm going to start by using the co-wash to wash my deep wave bundles. And it's weird, the pump on the bottle didn't want to work, so I just had to open the whole bottle and I had to just pour the co-wash into my hands that way. And once I did open the bottle, I poured the co-wash into my hands that way, and I created a nice lather before I actually applied it onto the hair. And once I applied it to the hair, I scrunched the hair up a little bit just to make sure that I still had that nice curl. And I do that same process throughout all of the hair. I make sure to wet the hair just a little bit so I won't be applying co-wash onto dry hair. And then I make sure to add a good amount of the co-wash onto my hair just to make sure that I can remove any of the excess chemicals that might be on the hair before I get my install. And once I did apply the co-wash, I use my comb and I use my tangle teaser just to remove any of the excess tangles or knots that might be in the bundle so that my hair can dry nice and tangle free. Alright you guys, so I'm finally done washing the bundles and the closure with the Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia co-wash and detangling the hair with my wide tooth comb and my tangle teaser. And now I'm going to put all the bundles and the closure into a plastic bag and put it into my bonnet dryer just to make sure the bundles and the closure get a nice deep condition. And I believe that I left the hair in the bonnet dryer for at least an hour or two because I know I was working on my hair, but I put the blow dryer on the highest setting. And I'll be back after I let the hair deep condition and I'll show you guys what the hair looks like. Alright you guys, I'm back, and when I opened the bag to see what the bundles look like, my bundles looked so moisturized and they had such good definition and shine. And before I actually started rinsing the co-wash out of the bundles, I made sure to cut the rubber band that's holding the webs together on the three bundles just to make sure that I rinse out all the co-wash. And I'm going to speed up the video just so that you guys can see the process of me rinsing out the co-wash. Alright you guys, I'm already finished rinsing out the co-wash out of the 3 bundles. I still have to do the closure though. But I decided to put the 3 bundles that I already rinsed the co-wash out of. I decided to put that on a towel so it can start drying in so that I can comb it out and I can have a little bit more space. Alright you guys, so at first I was a little skeptical of getting the lace wet on the closure. I don't know why. But as you guys can see now, I'm rinsing out all of the co-wash off of the closure. And I spent a good amount of time rinsing out the co-wash off of the closure just to make sure that I don't have any co-wash left on the closure, especially before I get it installed onto my head. And do y'all see how defined my curls are? Like, yes. But that's all I have for today's video, Faith Gang. Thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and if you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. And look at this hair, y'all. Do y'all see how shiny it is? I am definitely looking forward to getting my deep wave hair installed. But I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, Faith Gang. And I hope you guys have a great day and a great week. I'll see you guys in my next video.